Hello, I'm Sunil Sharma and I'm researching on biomimicry. In the previous lecture, I have described that different umbrella terms are used for biomimicry. In this lecture, I will discuss different umbrella terms and their differences. So many synonymous terms they are used for biomimicry. These are biomimetics, bionics, bioinspiration, bioinspired design, and biologically inspired design. So these definitions are as per the ISO standards. So ISO defines biomimicry as philosophy and interdisciplinary design approach taking nature as a model to meet the challenges of sustainable development. Sustainability in biomimicry means using life's principles in final products or application. In other terms, if the design of final products are sustainable, only then we can call it biomimicry. If the final designs are not sustainable but inspired from nature, we cannot call it biomimicry as per the definition, but we can use some other term like biomimetics or bioinspiration. In the first figure over here, we have Eden Project, which houses a collection of plant species inside and is dome shaped, which is inspired from Fibonacci spiral pattern. In the second figure, we have Eastgate Building, Zimbabwe, which uses passive ventilation. So out of these two figures, the second figure is an example of biomimicry. For the first figure, we can not use biomimicry, but we can use some other term like biomorphism. Another definition as per the ISO is biomimetics, which says interdisciplinary cooperation of biology and technology or other fields of innovation with the goal of solving practical problems through the functional analysis of biological systems, their abstraction into models, and transfer into and application of these models into the solution. So, in biomimetics, we study the formation, structure, or function of biologically produced substances and materials, such as enzymes or silk, and biological mechanisms and processes, such as protein synthesis or photosynthesis, for the purpose of synthesizing similar products by artificial mechanisms which mimic the natural ones. Usually we go to nanoscale in biomimetics. We engineer a process or system. Usually we analyze the system, make mathematical models. In the figure over here, we have water droplets on lotus leaf. So this is an example of biomimetics because we have analyzed the surface of the lotus leaf, which is nanostructured, and we have also made mathematical models for the same. ISO defines another term, bionics. It is basically a technical discipline that seeks to replicate, increase, or replace biological functions by their electronic and or mechanical equivalents. Bionics or biologically inspired engineering is an application of biological methods and systems found in nature to the study and design of engineering systems and modern technology. This term bionic was conceived by Jack Steele in 1958 from biology and electronics. In the figure over here, we can see that the human arm has been replaced by an electronic and mechanical equivalent. The next ISO definition is bioinspiration, which is creative approach based on the observation of biological systems. Here we see that we have an inspiration from brain, which is a three-layered structure, which has been used to design a helmet. Now I will do a quick recap of all the definitions. So biomimicry is imitation of nature's model with sustainability. Biomimetics is mimicking biological systems by engineering them with artificial ways. Bionics is to replicate, increase, or replace biological functions, which is basically biology plus electronics. And bioinspiration is observing biological systems and using it creatively. That is all for today. Thank you very much.